Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare an Elephino. Now this is a layered shot, so you're going to want to get your shot glass ready, and you're also going to want a bar spoon to help you prepare this. Now the only thing about this layered shot is that we're using triple sec and we're using light Sambuca. So it's the exact same colors. Now the thing is that you want to layer them because as you throw it down the hatch, it's going to make a difference in how it tastes. So that's what this is all about here. So we're going to start off with our triple sec because it's a lower alcohol content, pouring halfway up our shot glass from there. After that, you're going to want to take your bar spoon. If you don't have it, use maraschino cherry. And just break the surface of the triple sec and pour the Sambuca directly on top. Just like so. You're going to get a nice layered effect in the taste. Once it settles, you'll see it rise up to the top. And as you take that shot, it's going to start off with a big burst of anisette, licorice flavor. And then after that, you're going to follow that up with a nice orange finish. So that is your Elephino. Enjoy.